Here I've got the wooden play centre from Smyths Toy Store. This features 2 swings, a seesaw and a wave slide. Come and build it with me. Let's start out by opening the box, laying out all the parts so we can see what we've got to work with. I didn't think that this was going to be too big of a job. However, absolutely nothing has been pre-measured or pre-drilled. You have to do all that yourself. So let's see how we get on. For the next part, we need to find a flat surface. Here I'm using my decking. Now grab the top part of the frame. This is usually the longest log in the pack. The instruction manual details how far apart everything should be spaced. I'm going to go ahead and pre-drill a hole using my driver. And these are the standard fixings which came in the box. You get a hex bolt, washer and a little plastic cap which goes on the end. Pretty much everything which gets fixed in this project is done so with these. Sadly guys, these bolts do not have a torque rating, so I'm having to do them manually using a socket set. If you did put it in a chuck and start screwing it with an impact driver or an impact wrench, there's a good chance that you're going to thread the end off the bolt and you'll end up with a broken screwing in your wood. It'd be really difficult to remove. So that's why I'm here with a socket set. This is the one part where you should really take your time, guys. So load everything onto the log, map out where you want everything to go before fixing anything down. Think about which side you want the slide to go on, whereabouts you're going to put this in your garden, and measure out where everything has to go before you even fix anything down. Now that we've got the 2 end pieces fixed on, I'm going to slot the legs in and stand the frame up. As always, a couple of bolts in each of the legs, and I'm going to manoeuvre this to the way which we're going to have this in our garden. It is recommended that 2 adults build this, but as this is a surprise for our daughter's birthday, sadly I'm on my own. Here I'm building the platform for the slide. This is probably the easiest part of the project. Once the platform is built, you can attach it to your frame. Again, you have to measure and pre-drill. You can get the correct measurements from your instructions manual. Then it's bolts and brackets in all 4 corners of the platform. This is pretty heavy duty, to be fair. So we've got 4 bolts and a bracket in each corner. You guys have seen me screw enough of these bolts in now. So the ladders to the slide, we've got 4 steps, again held in by those standard bolts. The wave slide is nice and easy to fit on. It's built with a lip that slots over onto the platform, and it only needs 2 screws to fix it in there properly. These side panels are literally strips of wood on the left and right, fitted in with more bolts. And this is the finished build. The only thing that is different is the nest swing, which we upgraded. This cost around £30 from Smyths. So the seesaw is fitted with a different kind of bracket. The swings, they're attached with a carabiner style clip. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Check out my other DIY videos on the channel, or subscribe for some more project builds. Thank you.